headlights, bumpers and brakes. Just finished the exhaust system on the 2011 Camaro. Kind of walked through it. Stainless tips to finish it off. Magnaflow Bullet mufflers. Heavy duty hanger. Stainless steel elbows. Eliminated the oversized resonator, X-pipes, and stainless steel extensions to give the car the sound it was meant to make. We will custom make it whatever you want. You want quiet, you want intermediate, or you want loud. We're the shop for you.